Meaning of humidifier.
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 Humidifier. A humidifier is a device used to increase the amount of moisture in the air. It works by emitting water vapor or steam, which helps to prevent dryness and can alleviate symptoms of respiratory problems, such as allergies and asthma. Humidifiers are commonly used during the winter months when indoor heating can cause dryness and discomfort. Additionally, they can be used in regions with low humidity levels or for individuals who live in dry climates. Overall, humidifiers are beneficial for creating a more comfortable and healthy indoor environment by increasing the moisture content of the air.